I have been using this headboard for the last several years for storing record albums. And I need to shorten it by 2 inches. And in the process, I am going to add a third shelf to this. Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's the 2x4 I plan on using. I did dig this 2x4 out from behind that mess. Houston, I have a problem. Different screws. Now, I think I could possibly put this back together. Let's see how that goes. Okay, there's the main carcass. Both the shelves are cut down. Both sides are reattached. Hmm. "41 inches. That's close enough for the girls I go with. Okay. The cabinet back, when I removed it, was just nailed in originally. And I'm going to nail it back in. But in taking it apart, it fractured some of the veneer here on this edge. Now granted, you'll never see this until you take it apart again. That won't happen in my lifetime, more than likely. So, I'm going to put a little glue behind here and tape it in place and let it set up and dry. Then I can cut the back to a finished length and nail it in place. So now, if I can just find the damn glue. Okay. Okay, so now, while that sets and dries, I'm going to turn my attention to the new shelf that I will be adding in down here at the bottom. It will be made up of a 2x4 that I had stashed back against my wall. I've cut it into lengths already, and it's going to take 3 pieces to make up the same width as I have up here. Excuse me. It's alive.
I don't know, man. You better get something to kill it.